Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome to another one of my videos. In this one, we're going to be making the Pisces Paracord bracelet. Here you can see a couple of examples of this style of a bracelet. Here you can see the pattern. The bracelet is done using a buckle and a double cord. Let's take a look at the supplies, then make our own. Our first supply is going to be a single piece of paracord. For a 6-inch weave, 10 feet of cord is going to be enough. I recommend using a 5/8-inch bracelet buckle. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the bracelet jig to hold my bracelet in place. This is going to make things easier to see. It's not absolutely needed, but it is a handy tool. Scissors and a lighter are our final two supplies. Let's begin. For this bracelet, we're going to need a double cord. Take your cord, fold it in half. Place it into the top part of the buckle just to hold it in place. Move to the other part of your buckle and attach the two ends onto it. So first the left end, and the right end, so we have attached the two ends onto the bottom part of the buckle. Now adjust the size of your bite so that it barely reaches the top part of the buckle. So work some slack out of the bite into your two ends. So something like this. Now attach the two ends onto the top part of the buckle like this. The left end top down through the buckle, under and through the bite, like this. Over the two cords, under and through the buckle, and into the opening, like this. And repeat with the right end, top down through the buckle, and under and through the bite. Over the top, over the two cords, under and through the buckle, and through the opening. And this is the double cord setup. So we have a 4-stranded cord, 2 cow hitches at the bottom, and 2 cow hitches at the top. We're now going to do our weaving. And this is how we weave the bracelet. Start with the left end, feed it bottom up through the center, forming a bight. Pass the very end of your left end through the bight, tying a hitch. Take the right end, pass bottom up through the center, over the left end and back down, coming back up just above the left end. Here. Take the very end of the right end, pass alongside the left end, here at the top. Like this, effectively crossing over the left end. Tighten up. Like this, and repeat. Left end creates a bight. Then we pass through the bight. Again, creating a half hitch. With the right end, we pass bottom up through the center, over the left end, and come up just above the left end, here. Pass alongside the left end, here at the top, effectively crossing it like this. Tighten up. Like this, and continue. We're going to keep lining up this pattern of weaving until we reach the other buckle end. When you reach the other buckle end, we're going to finish up our bracelet. What we want to do is to tuck our 2 ends on the underside of the bracelet. So here, on the bottom, we're going to tuck the right end under the left loop and the left end under the right loop. like this, and the left end is going to pass under here. Now tighten up firmly . Then trim the ends and you are done. So guys, that's the Pisces Paracord bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this one. Consider supporting the site on Patreon, and I'll see you in my future tutorials.